Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that helps you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can create a timeline in PowerPoint in just a few seconds. Before we start, I highly recommend checking out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in if you want to create stunning presentations in no time. Get access to tons of presentation templates, themes, and a lot more, all within PowerPoint itself. Alright, let's begin. The easiest way to create a timeline in PowerPoint is by using SmartArt. Simply type out your content with title and subtitles. Select the text, right-click, and convert to SmartArt. Choose a basic timeline from the list and you're done. You can also take your time to tweak the timeline, adjust the colors a bit to give it a more polished look. Start by inserting a chevron shape or something similar and drawing it on your slide. Next, click on Slide Bazaar in the ribbon and click on Smart Shape Replicator. Choose Linear from the drop-down and adjust the shape replication count and shape spacing. Finally, select all shapes and group them by pressing Ctrl+G. Then go to Shape Format, Align, and align horizontally. Finally, make a few tweaks, add your content, and your timeline is now ready to go. In some cases, your timeline may not fit into one slide. Here's an idea that you can try. Create a timeline on a slide and duplicate the slide. Then extend the first timeline to the right side. On the duplicate slide, extend the timeline to the left side. Now all you need to do is apply the push transition, but make sure to change the direction of the transition in the effect options to finally get a slide like this. Finally, apart from the three methods I just talked about, the easiest way to create a timeline in PowerPoint is just to use one of Slide Bazaar's timeline templates. Simply find the one you need, download it, customize it, and make it your own, all in a matter of few seconds. Well, that's all for this video. If you like the video, check out our channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.